to a new vlog. We're in Atlantic City staying at the Oceans Casino Hotel. This room that I was in is probably the best room that I've been in Atlantic City. The closet space was great. I was here with my mom for a couple of days. It was enough space for the both of us. We slept amazing. The view was amazing. And the best part, I love a bathroom with dual sinks. It's just really good when you're traveling with someone else. And the shower was phenomenal. We always love a separate toilet area, but 1000%, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Welcome back to another vlog. We're in Atlantic City. So I'm staying at the Oceans Resort and Casino. I love it here. Like, the room is spectacular. Like, hello. And our view is so cute. Like, we get the pier and the beach. So all in all, it's pretty good. I already recorded a room tour, so. But yeah, I've just been at the pool. I got here like around, I think 11, and then I checked in. Check-in was a little, well, that's my fault. I came in when everybody was checking out. So I think I waited all in like 15 minutes, not too bad. Once they saw that the line was like getting kind of long, they added more people. So yeah, when I get a chance, I'll show you the pool. And then tonight, I don't know what I'm doing, to be quite honest. Like, it's very free and chill. I've been to Atlantic City a couple times, so I'm not really pressed to like eat at any like crazy restaurants. Although Oceans just opened up a breakfast place called Sunny's, but I think I'm doing that on Friday when I leave. So tonight I think I'm just gonna like go to the boardwalk. Maybe there is a new like Mexican restaurant, but the menu looks a little light, so I think I might just get a drink there. I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but I'll bring y'all along. Second day here at Oceans. The only thing I don't like, well, last night we went to Land Shark to eat, but it was okay. 7 out of 10, not that bad. And then we just went around to the pier and like looked around at all the rides and just looked at, you know, went to Hard Rock. They had a live band, which was cool. But right now we're just at the pool. Been there since like 9. I don't understand. Like, I feel like for being such a big hotel, like the pool should be bigger, but all in all, it's all good. Right now I'm just getting it. I'll show you the lobby and like where you can get food. Starbucks. I'm about to show you that part because that also has the new Harpers. The Harper used to be on like the main check-in floor. Now it's on the casino floor because they opened up this place called Sunny's. So Harpers got moved. and it's by the Top Golf. And then so there's Top Golf, Starbucks, another like salad soup place, and then Harpers. I hate that there's no elevators that connect like everything together. While I'm down here, I'm just going to show you the place that's called the District. It's kind of like their food court kind of thing. So I'll show you that. Hi everybody. Oh, that's not a good angle. Anyway, we are done with our pool day. We're getting ready now to go to happy hour at Ocean Steak. So they have happy hour at the bar, and there's like sliders, drink specials, food specials. So I want to try that because I've never done that. So I'm excited for that. The pool was great. I think I was there from like 10, so you can see I am tanned on different colors. But all in all, it's been so good, so quiet. It's not really like too crazy. I think tomorrow might be like more of a crowd coming, more things to do. There's really not much to do here entertainment wise, I would say. Like last night I got a drink at Villain and Saints, and they were already like doing last call, and that was at like 10 o'clock. So I think like the Hard Rock had a band, so I think we're gonna go back there tonight and like sit and watch probably another cover band. But there's not much entertainment here at night, so we'll see. Probably Thursday night. I think Nola's supposed to like have music and stuff like that. The weekend here is fun, but it's also pricier, so we'll see. But yeah, just had breakfast at Starbucks. I think I said that earlier. Lunch was just a couple of snacks. I wasn't even hungry. Tomorrow I think I'm gonna try Sunny's, and then Friday when I leave I'm gonna do Harpers for breakfast. So we'll do that, and then tomorrow for dinner we're going to Cardinals, which is not in any of the hotels. It's this new restaurant that I've been dying to try. So we'll do that. But yeah, all in all, it's just been relaxing. It's been good since I go back to work next week. But yeah, all right, let's head. Finally back home from Atlantic City. I just want to like do some closing things. What did I do yesterday? So yesterday you probably saw like Where did we go? Breakfast, we did Harpers, which was really good. And they changed Harper's location, so it used to be on the same floor as where you check in for the lobby, but they now moved it to the casino floor by the Starbucks and the Topgolf. So now what they did, I think I showed you earlier, like what they did on the lobby floor. They put Ches Fritz that I didn't go to, and then Sunny's. So yesterday we ended up going to Cardinals, which is on I think it's on Atlantic Avenue. No, anyway, it's past like the Hard Rock and all that. It's like a farm to table restaurant. Amazing, 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 amazing service, amazing food. It was really good. We then just went to the Hard Rock, and then I came back to Oceans. Nola's was open, so we did that for like an hour-ish. They were playing like 2090s music. And then this morning was our last day, so we checked out. We went to Sunny's. Excellent. I had the monkey bread and an omelet, super good. And then we just ended up doing some shopping at the outlets, which 100% you should go to. But other than that, it was a great trip. The only thing, again, the problem about going, it's not a problem, it's just that during the week there really isn't that much entertainment at Oceans. Like Nola's was open yesterday for Thursday night. During the weekend I'm sure it's like super fun, but during the week there's just not much, especially if you're not a gambler or you don't like the machines. I can only do the slot machine for a little bit. Like after I lose $20, I'm done. So I just wish there was more there. But other than that, that is my week. Not my week, I think I spent like 3 nights there. For the most part it was great. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one.